Hey, have you been looking for ways to build your network marketing or affiliate marketing opportunities so you could get more leads, sales, and signups? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a system that has allowed me to go from zero to making my first 100K online. Now, these results aren't typical, and I can't promise you any kind of results. The results depend on your work ethic and your skill level, and all people are different, right? So it all depends on you. It all depends on what you have learned over the years, what you know, and how you can implement it, right? So everybody's different when it comes to their skill set. So just keep in mind that I can't guarantee you're going to get results, but it is very possible to get results with the system I'm going to show you, and actually how to do it the right way. So if you want to make sales in any kind of opportunity, what I've learned over the past 11 years of marketing is to help people build what they want to build online, right? If you help other people build what they want, you always get what you want. So how we actually do that is we have to create a system, and the system, I'm very big on branding. If you look at my social media and you look at any of my pages, I'm very big on putting myself into the mix. If you brand yourself first, then you are the brand, right? People buy from you. They don't buy from the opportunity. They don't buy from the company. So if you've been pitching the company or using the company replicated pages, chances are you're going to be struggling to be able to make sales. But if you stand out from everybody else that's selling the same thing as you, then you're able to brand yourself and stand apart, and people want what you have to offer because it is unique and nobody else has it but you. So they come to you for what's unique in stuff that they could use in their marketing. So, pretty much you can get to this page if you want to find out exactly how I've been able to do it. The link is below this video. You could just put your information in and you're going to be able to find out exactly how it's done, right? So, basically you want to have your sales funnel set up and you want to be branded all over social media, because when you're branded, you stand out from everybody else and you create authority. And authority that you create, it's going to attract people to you. It's going to attract high quality people to you, which is who you want. You don't want to just work with anybody. You want to work with people who are very serious, who are ready to invest, who have invested in themselves, and who want to actually make this happen. And it's just not a phase in their life, or it's not something that they do as a hobby, or something that they're going to do part time and quit, right? So you want somebody who sticks around throughout everything, because this is what they actually want to do. This is making a difference in their life. And for me, online marketing has changed my life because I grew up in a family that wasn't very tight. Both my parents were alcoholics. My mom was on drugs. And growing up, I really didn't have too much guidance as far as that. I was living with my mom for a little bit when I was a kid, and I seen some stuff that I probably shouldn't have seen as a kid, and I didn't have any sources of positivity in my life until I got involved in marketing. And then I went around very successful people. I seen a lot of people that were exciting, a lot of people that had very good mindsets. And going to an event or going to something like that, I went to my first hotel meeting and it was very amazing. And it gave me motivation, and it said, well, if these people could do it, why can't I? Right? So it gave me a bit of motivation to actually continue and seek what could be made of what I was doing in my life, right? So it changed my whole life path for me. And I encourage you if you're going through anything in life, to actually um, continue with marketing, right? Because this is going to be your support system. This is going to be the people that stand by you through the good times and the bad times, right? And in order to get the good, you have to go through the bad. So you're going to have to experience some failures. Everybody does. It happens, but you don't have to stay there. It doesn't have to be forever. It doesn't have to be permanent. The guaranteed way to fail is to quit, right? Because when you quit, you're guaranteed to fail because you have nothing going that's going to actually change the outcome of your life, right? So you have to stick to whatever you're doing and make it happen. So how we actually do this is we have our sales funnel set up. So this is our capture page, and then we have a sales page on the inside. Once they put their information in, they get on your email list. And when they're on your email list, and they could receive a series of emails that they basically get that follow up with them, right? So it shows them and gives them information, and gives them value, and value is information and things that they need to actually succeed, right? So they get a series of emails, and even if they don't buy right there when they put their name and email in, they'll be on your email list. So they may buy at a later time, right? So the goal is to be able to build your email list. So in order to build your email list, you need to be able to get traffic. Now there's different ways to get traffic, and there's paid ways and free strategies as well. I suggest using both. Some people will be like, well, I just want to use paid traffic. I don't suggest doing paid traffic 100% in your business. I suggest doing free methods as well, combining paid and free strategies, and just separating the list so you don't combine your traffic sources, and you know the quality and exactly where every lead is coming from, because that's very important. Like a social media lead is going to be very, very different from paid traffic, which is a solo ad lead, right? They're very different quality traffic. One's a cold lead, and the other is more of a warm lead that finds you on social media through search engine methods, right? So they're searching for solutions to a problem that they need to solve, right? And they find you through the search, right? So those are the two different ways. So if you want to get paid traffic, you could come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and this is actually my traffic store. And if you decide to get traffic from me, why you should get traffic from me is because I help you to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and I make sure that your sales copy is congruent to the offer that you have, and I want to make sure that you get high quality traffic to your offers, and you need to know where you're getting traffic from. So when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me, and I help you to manage your funnel and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages. Some of my clients get up to 85% opt-in rate with sales, and we can get you a very high opt-in rate, so you're retaining majority of your leads, and you're able to actually get better results that way. The more people you get into your funnel, from there it's like a sift and sort method. So once you get them in, then you can build a rapport, you can build a relationship. It's up to you from that point once they get on the inside of your funnel, right? So that's what I help you to do, and I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because it's very important to know how to track your stats. A lot of people, when they're getting paid traffic, they don't know how to track anything. They don't know where their leads are coming from, and it's really important to know where the leads are coming from, because that's how you're going to actually be able to get results, is knowing the quality of traffic, knowing where it's coming from, knowing who's very responsive and who's not, right? So you want to actually keep your list clean, and I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So keeping your list clean, make sure that you have a highly engaged list, and you only have people on your list that actually open your emails, right? Because if they're opening your emails, or if they're responding to your emails, if they're engaging, then you get a lot higher quality lead, and they're interested, right? If they're not opening your emails, then they're costing you money, and they're hurting your deliverability by not opening your emails, right? So this happens in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is you select a traffic package below. On this page, I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Step 2 is we do a campaign review and a strategy call. So you'll be able to book a campaign review and a strategy call with me, to where we'll go over your funnel. I'll help you to improve your results with your funnel. I'll let you know how you can actually improve your funnel, and what you actually need to get higher results. and then I'll take you through a strategy and a daily plan of action that will work for you, depending on whatever you're doing, to be able to get more sales in your business, right? Because that's very important. And without the strategy, it's really, really hard to get results. You have to have a strategy behind what you're doing, and you have to have consistency. And that's where a lot of people lack at is consistency. So if you have consistency, you're more likely to have results and have success in your business. Step 3 is we launch your campaign within 3 days. So we will launch within 3 days if you don't book the strategy call, but I highly suggest you do because it is included with your traffic order, and the traffic will start after the strategy call, after you book the call, and you have it, right? So we start your traffic then, and you can see my results right here: 200 clicks, a 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales, and there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Then here's some of the questions that people ask. And then here is my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic. No bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And then if you have questions, your questions can be placed down here. They could be placed under the video. I will respond to people who have questions. And the cool thing is you will be able to get high quality traffic to your funnel and be able to get people on your email list. Now, if you want to learn other, traffic strategies, this platform is what I built my entire traffic store off of that you just seen. We have the Funnel Builder tool, Funnel Builders Academy. Then we have traffic strategies right here. When you get the Funnel Builder tool for $25 per month, you're able to make $20 per month in residual income commissions, and then you get 2 weeks free of the coaching. The coaching is daily hands-on coaching, and we show you how to do different things in your business. Like we show you how to launch your business, we show you how to invite people, we show you how to get leads with Facebook, we show you how to follow up with your leads. We show you how to do short form video lead generation. We show you how to do YouTube ranking. We show you how to do podcasting, how to get people on LinkedIn. We show you how to do Facebook Lives the right way. We show you how to launch your product. So if you have your own products, this will definitely help you to be able to do that. This is included with the Funnel Builder tool. When you check the box, when you go to checkout and you get the Funnel Builder tool, when you have the Funnel Builder tool, you're able to build out pages like the ones that you've seen me build out right here. You can build out pages like this, and we have very, very good templates, and you're able to make 80% commissions on this tool right here. So I'd highly suggest taking a look at that for yourself, and you can actually build out your e-commerce store or whatever your products are. So if you've been wanting to create a digital product, you can use this Funnel Builder tool to do that, right? So, make sure you go and check that out. You could, click on the link below this video to come to this page to find out more information about that. And I show you how to use this system all together in one, right? So make sure you click on the link below this video, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos that I upload to the channel. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video for that as well. And if you want to get traffic, make sure you click on the link below this video to come to my traffic store, which looks like this, right? So you'll be able to get into my traffic store and order some traffic. You'll be able to learn and get daily hands-on support along the way as you're doing marketing. So make sure you go and check those links out below this video. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.